Hi Bulls, the counselors are excited to start the programming process for the 2026-2027 school year. Each grade level will have designated colors for their programming sheet. Current 9th graders will fill out a yellow sheet, current 10th graders will fill out green, and current 11th graders will fill out blue. When you receive your sheet, please remember to put your name and student number on it so that we know who it belongs to. The front of your programming sheet will have boxes designating the subjects that you will have for next school year. For math and science, a teacher's signature may be required if you are choosing a higher level course. For students who are taking AP courses, please fill out the student agreement portion of the programming sheet. The College Board assesses fees if you drop the exam after the deadline. ACE courses also have a fee attached if you drop the course after February. We ask for a parent signature on the front of the programming sheet so that we know your parent agrees with the classes you have selected. On the back of the programming sheet, you will list your elective courses in preference order. Number 1 should be your top choice elective that you would like the most, followed by your second most wanted choice. Please fill out as many as possible so that the computer can fill your schedule with courses that you have selected. If the computer does not have enough choices to fill your schedule, a hole will be left and your counselor will be required to place you in a course that is not listed on your programming sheet. When filling out your electives, please make sure you have selected either one full credit course or 2 half credit courses on the same line. In the example on the screen, this student has selected a full credit course for their number 1 choice and then 2 separate semester courses for their second choice. Both semester courses are listed on the same line to equal a full credit. You can only take a course once through your high school career, so please do not select a course you have already taken and passed. A passing score on the 10th grade fast reading is required for graduation. Students who score a level 1 or 2 on their 9th and 10th grade PM3 fast test will be required to take a reading course next year. Reading courses do take the place of one of your electives. A passing score on the Algebra 1 EOC is required for graduation, and your score will impact the math class you are scheduled into for next year. If you are interested in yearbook, please see Ms. Cruz in room 259 for an application. Students interested in SGA can see Ms. Johnson in room 289 for more information. Interviews for SGA begin in March. Course descriptions can be found at the Bloomingdale Guidance website, which is www.bloomingdaleguidance.org. Click on the High School tab and select 2026-2027 course directory. You can also scan the QR code on the back of the programming sheet. The counselors ask that all sheets be submitted to either the guidance office or your first period teacher by January 9th. The counselors will then enter the course requests in the system. We will be meeting with all students individually to discuss their selections and make any changes. Schedules will not be finalized until the summer, and you will see your schedule at open house. If you have any questions when filling out the programming sheet, counselors will be available in the lunchroom on January 7th, 8th, and 9th during all 3 lunches. Thank you, Bulls, and we are excited to start planning for the 2026-2027 school year. 6-7.